Dear connections, today I will discuss about one important issue faced by all the beginner level data analysts who are working in SSMS like SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, the issue is like whenever they are creating like let's say they created a database for practicing SQL query. But whenever they want to create table under that desired database, the table is creating in somewhere else, like in a different database. So in this video, I will reproduce the error and I will give the permanent solution also. So let's jump into my SSMS screen. So as you can see, this is my SQL Server Management Studio, and here my target database is testdb. I will create a table called person under this testdb. So let's try out. So I need to write a query like create table person, first bracket start, first bracket close. Then at first there will be obviously person id. Let's say it is integer. Then person name. It will be varchar 50 size is enough. Then date of birth dob date. So yeah, now I will execute this query. Yes, the command completed successfully, there is no error. So now I will refresh this page to see the tables. So we all know that our desired table is testdb. Okay, now I will expand expand this table section under testdb. Oh my god, there is no table called person under this testdb. Then where it gone? So let's check in system databases. Let's check the first system database master. See, we want to create this table called person under testdb, but after writing the query, executing the query, it comes under master database, which is a default database under system database. So what we should do now? So the solution is this thing. You can see this drop down menu. Like when I was writing this SQL query, master was the default database here. So here I should select the testdb. If I select the testdb, under this testdb, if I create the query, then only it is okay. So let's copy these queries because I need to exactly do the same under testdb. Now I will close this, no need to save this, and I will delete this one also because it should not present under master database. Deleted successfully. Now what we will do, we will take a new query. Now here from this database I will select testdb, which is our desired database. Okay, now here I will paste that query and run that query. Command completed successfully, and now I will just do the refresh of this page. It should come. Wait a minute, let me do the refresh properly. Refresh. Then if I select the test DB. Yeah, hooray! See, under test DB database, the person table is coming. Now it is coming under our desired database. So I hope the issue is clear. Just you need to, like, before writing the query, you need to check this database. Like, if you want to make any other database as default, you can select another name also. So I hope you all understood the root cause of the issue and the solution of the problem. So thank you. Let's wrap up this video.